Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. Channel 1 has unveiled new AI news anchors, showcasing advancements in AI-generated avatars and voices. The video demonstrates the rapid improvement of AI video technology, raising concerns about the diminishing line between reality and AI-generated content. Mention is made of the first-ever AI TV commercial in Japan, noted for its heightened realism. The evolving capabilities of AI in video production are creating a surreal intersection of real and artificial elements, prompting observations that things are getting weird in the realm of AI-generated media.
Hello, and welcome to Channel 1, a new way of consuming, reporting, and thinking about the news powered by artificial intelligence. Today, you'll witness AI-generated stories and headlines, captivating visuals, and data-driven insights. From global news to finance to entertainment, we'll show you how technology enables us to bring you a global perspective 24/7, right from the heart of our AI-native newsroom. All presented by our team of AI-generated reporters.
Maybe you hear the words artificial intelligence and you're immediately skeptical or concerned about technology gone crazy. But everything you'll see on Channel 1 relies on trusted sources and fact-checking, and uses AI to give you news the way you want it, personalized, localized, and distilled. Through it all, our mission is to provide you with accurate, unbiased, and trustworthy news. Technology may be the tool, but journalism's core values of integrity and accountability are at the heart of everything we do.
Today we're going to show off some of the technology we're using to build Channel 1. We'll show you how AI powers and empowers our newsroom to deliver journalism that's fast, trustworthy, and accurate. Let's start with our reporters. You can hear us and see our lips moving, but no one was recorded saying what we're all saying. I'm powered by sophisticated systems behind the scenes, and I can speak in any language. Για παράδειγμα, αυτή τη στιγμή μιλάω στα ελληνικά. O kung pinapanood mo ako mula sa Maynila, marunong akong magsalita ng Filipino. எனக்கும் தமிழ் பேசத் தெரியும் என்று நீங்கள் யூகித்திருக்க மாட்டீர்கள் என்று நான் நம்புகிறேன். In fact, you can see even more language samples on our website. Channel 1's anchors can even be completely generated to have their own personality, appearance, and voice.
And what is AI native news?
Google DeepMind has expanded its AI offerings with the introduction of Gemini Pro and Imagen 2. Gemini Pro, available on Google AI Studio, allows developers to construct conversational agents by prompting it with text and images. The platform, serving as an entry point to Google Cloud's Vertex AI, provides free rate limits with upcoming paid plans, though Gemini Pro API costs surpass those of GPT 3.5. Simultaneously, Google DeepMind unveiled Imagen 2, a sophisticated text-to-image model for realistic outputs. These advancements demonstrate Google's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI, integrating Gemini into its extensive network, and facilitating developer experimentation. Elon Musk's AI startup, xAI, is extending its services, including the AI chatbot Grok, to India and 46 additional countries outside the US. Grok, introduced as a competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT, distinguishes itself with real-time access to information and internet browsing capabilities, fetching up-to-date data from the web. Available exclusively to X Premium Plus subscribers, Grok is part of a tiered subscription plan. In India, Premium Plus costs $1,300 per month on the web or $2,150 per month on Android and iOS. Musk's move aligns with excess push for subscription revenue, as ad revenue is projected to decline, with just over 1 million paying subscribers reported. Stability AI has introduced StableZero124, an in-house generative AI model specializing in 3D object generation from single images. The model, built with enhanced training datasets and elevation conditioning, exhibits improved 3D understanding of object appearances from different angles, notably surpassing the quality of its predecessors, Zero1-to-3 and Zero123-XL. StableZero123 showcases advanced capabilities in creating high-quality 3D objects based on a single input image. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.